Amma. Today we are going to cook brinjal curry, also known as Guttivankaya kura. Now I am going to tell you the ingredients. First, the most important is brinjals, of course. Then we need red chilies, and then coriander seeds, coconut powder, sesame seeds, and in this bowl we have cinnamon, cashew nuts, pepper, and clove. And the main ingredient is roasted ground nuts. First we need to dry roast everything. Mix everything well in the mixer. Now you need brinjals. Clean them very thoroughly. Now the most important part, take a bowl of water, add salt in it. Take the brinjals and just cut this up and make it into a plus shape. When you're cutting, just check inside the brinjals if you see any worms. Stir into the bowl. Take the brinjals and stuff it. Powder stuff. This is dry roast. Add fenugreek in oil, and we also need to add mustard seeds and red chilies. Add stuffed brinjals to the oil one by one. And also close the lid until the brinjals are 90% cooked. Flip and mix in between. Add tamarind juice into the brinjal. Take the remaining powder and add water in it and mix it well. And add into the brinjal and stir it well. Mouth-watering Guttivankaya kura is ready! Yum!